Hey, I'm EJ, and you'll meet my partner Brendan in part 2 of this module. We've helped small businesses and founders grow using simple, modern marketing. No big budgets, no complicated systems. Marketing changes fast. It shifts almost as quick as technology. What worked last year may not work today. The key is to use what works right now and stay ready to adjust when things change again. That's why we built this free course. Most founders feel stuck because the old playbook doesn't work anymore. This course gives you the new one. Simple steps, clear tools, real strategies you can use today. Every founder I talk to feels the same way. Marketing feels noisy. It feels confusing and feels harder than it should be. So in this module, we're going to clear that up and show you the simple system that works today. The old marketing playbook was simple. Buy ads, hope for clicks, and repeat. But today, ads cost more and trust is down. And people scroll past anything that feels pushy or fake. So the game changed. And now it centers on 3 things. First, content that sells. Simple videos people enjoy and trust. Second, partnerships working with creators and brands your customers already follow. And third, AEO, answer engine optimization, showing up when AI tools and short form search are looking for answers. These 3 things help you grow faster and with less stress, even if you're a team of 1. People don't buy from brands that shout the loudest. They buy from brands they trust. Small businesses can win now because you can move fast. You can be real. You can talk like a human. Big companies can't do that. They have layers and long approvals. You have speed and personality. That's your edge. Here's the growth path we'll use in this course, and you can start today. Step 1, make one helpful or interesting piece of content each week. Teach something, show something, share a quick story. Step 2, partner with creators or brands your customers already follow. Borrow trust, borrow their reach. Step 3, show up in AI search. If an AI tool can't explain what you do, your future customer may never find you. Step 4, build a simple referral or ambassador program. Happy customers bring new customers. This keeps your growth steady. In step 5, run small and fast tests to build momentum. Short videos, tiny collabs, quick wins, no perfect planning needed. We'll stack these steps as we move through each module. Before you move to module 2, do these 3 things. 1, write down the number 1 problem your customer cares about most. Keep it to 1 sentence. 2, list 3 creators or brands your customers already follow. These are future partners. And 3, write 1 clear line about what your business does. Make it simple, no buzzwords. You now have the base of your whole marketing system. In the next module, we'll talk about the most important skill for businesses today, how to make content that actually sells. And don't worry, it's easier than most people think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.